Casio G2310R-1. It's a G-Shock. Another winner. Tough solar. No battery replacement required. Let's get the white gloves on and get a bird's eye view. Just because she's been around for a few years doesn't mean she's not worthy. The Casio G2310 series packs a potent punch and gets it all done for any number of activities. Come on, it's tough solar, no battery replacement required. Gets its power from the sun and the light. Now out of the box, at the traditional $100 estimate for G-Shocks, depending on your geography, this one's coming in here at $139 here in Canada, but also cheaper at some of your online resources like Amazon and the like. Now we have a 45mm black resin plastic case and strap design. Integrated strap with that 26mm lug connection in case you want to switch out those straps. A screw down stainless steel case back plate, 200 meters of water resistance, and 49.5mm lug to lug. Now the thickness here, not too bad at 15mm, and 66 grams out of the box. Now the tough solar design, the epitome of strength and durability, with of course, shock resistance. Now the only thing I would have changed, maybe for this design, is to have that new carbon core guard protection, which basically is like an insulation around that whole movement and case, allowing for greater strength and durability. Now we have a nice clear digital display. Day, date, and time display is just boom, on point. Power indicator in that top left corner for you, so you can see where the power reserve is. It'll show you a low, medium, or high setting depending on how much power you have. And your traditional 4-button G-Shock functionality. You have adjust in the top left for sets, mode down in your bottom left for selection, forward in the bottom right, and reverse in the top left, which allows you for your split time start-stop resets. Don't worry, we'll show you the close-ups for that. Easy operation and function. The dial and display is clear. The day is under a blue display color, and the normal positive display is what you expect, and it's very clear and easy to read. As far as function goes, outside of your day, date, and time display, we're looking at world time capability, an alarm function, stopwatch, and countdown timer. Fantastic options for you. Now looking at your function setting, it's quite simple. Your mode button down here, lower left position. Press it in, that takes you to your world time settings, no problem. Press it again, that gives you the option to set alarm 1. Again, stopwatch. Bottom right is start, stop, top right, reset. Hit it again, timer, countdown timer set, 1 minute. Press bottom right to start. Your 1 minute countdown timer will start running. And if it stops or something changes, you can just stop it with the bottom right and then also reset with the top right. Back to 1 minute. Hit the mode button again, that takes you back to your day, date, and time display. The strap is the integrated resin plastic strap to go with this case design. With the great visibility comes low light options as well, with the push button illumination available by pushing the G at the center 6 position of the case. Now basically this gives you 2 seconds to view, and it's super clear even in full dark conditions. Comment down below, let me know what you think of this light source. Also, are you a fan of the G2310R-1 Casio G-Shock? This may just be the one, a great everyday carry option for anyone, truly for any scenario. Work, play, extreme sports, activities, professionals, moms, dads, kids, it doesn't matter. If you have the wrist to pull it off, throw it on. You won't be disappointed. Casio G2310R-1, a fantastic G-Shock. I'm TheCovertCrow, you can call me Ross. Please like if you enjoyed the video, or if you didn't enjoy the video, please comment and let me know down below. Tell me how I can make it better for you. I'm here for you. Thanks for all the support. Appreciate you coming to the channel. Please subscribe, and if you smash that bell, you'll get notified when the next video drops. It's that simple. I'm on Instagram as well at TheCovertCrow. You can follow me there if you like. Drop a comment right there, no problem. That's my time for today. See you on the next one.